1 in 6 U.S. youth between the ages of 6 and 17 experience a mental health disorder each year. The average delay between onset of mental illness symptoms and treatment is 11 years. According to the World Health Organization, the consequences of not addressing adolescent mental health conditions extend to adulthood, impairing both physical and mental health and limiting opportunities to lead fulfilling lives as adults. Needham Health and Human Services now offers mental health first aid training. It will teach community members the skills to reach out and provide initial support to adolescents who may be developing a mental health or substance use problem. Here's more on the training.
Mental Health First Aid is an educational program that we teach adults to support youth. So similar to first aid, where we teach people to help anyone with a physical problem, kind of stop the bleeding to get professional help. Mental health first aid is the support an adult can give a young person who's in kind of distress or experiencing a mental health challenge.
Mental health challenges are often closely linked to substance use in our youth. And with that alone, we have a lot of impetus to educate our adults around the warning signs of mental health. And we also know that from our Metro West Adolescent Health Surveys that youth substance use is on the increase, particularly for vaping and marijuana use.
To have somebody to talk to work through those difficulties with, it's just so important. And especially for youth, youth are at a stage in their lives where they're unsure of things, they're going through so many changes. And so to have a caring adult really help guide them through that process, or somebody that they can trust to talk to whenever they need to, can really be beneficial and has even saved lives. And so we just think it's so important.
Participants will learn signs and symptoms of potential mental health challenges. They will learn to listen non-judgmentally, and then they will learn to kind of give reassurance, encourage support strategies, self-help support strategies that youth can learn to kind of help themselves, but they'll also learn when and how to connect a youth to professional help. So we kind of teach participants in stages. We use scenarios of kind of real life teen examples to say, this is a snippet of this child's life, and you're, say, the teacher or you're a coach, and this is what you're seeing. So we help them walk through the different stages of, okay, can we listen? Can we assess? Is this child at risk for harm? And if that's the case, then we're going to kind of jump over the listening non-judgmentally, and we're going to connect to appropriate professional help right away.
As soon as I took the class, it helped me be a little bit more logical about the way that I listened. When you take the course, they give you this structure for the way that you might go about having a conversation with somebody. There's an acronym that helps you remember. And so I was able to immediately just recall that and think through as I was listening. A lot of our work is to get them to the professional help that they need. And so the course gives you actual resources. There's a list of things that are local and regional and national. So you know what you might be able to point somebody to get another level of care. So every bit of the content is usable and applicable. I didn't feel like I came away from it like, well, I could have done without those 3 chapters. Like, it's all good.
All of the youth mental health first aid classes run by Youth and Family Services are totally free. So we're really trying to break down any barriers to people attending the class. The class is open to all. So anyone that lives in Needham, works in Needham, is associated with Needham, we like to say the greater Needham community. And we're going to be planning classes all year. So every year we're going to be planning multiple classes. If you're interested in getting on our listserv, you can reach out to Youth and Family Services. You can reach out to me. It's sshine@needhamma.gov.
Anybody that is at all curious or interested in being a little bit better equipped to have conversations about mental health, whether it's for teenagers or anybody, adults or people that are younger than adolescents, check out the mental health first aid course. It's time well spent. It'll plug you into resources that will help you in your own processing of your own mental health and people around you, your loved ones, your colleagues, your family. So I highly recommend it. And the more people who are equipped to do this, the better our community health will be. So definitely check out Mental Health First Aid.